Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel Creative Arts and Decor. Friends, today I have come up with an introductory video to glass colors. So in this video I will tell you about the glass colors and the outliners. So this is the Fevicryl brand glass colors. It comes in 6 shades. Here we can get your red color, yellow, sea blue, green, brown and pink color. It also comes in a larger pack which has 10 shades. There we can get 4 shades extra, that is your white, black, orange and deep blue, or we can call it as ultramarine blue. So this is the thing, and it also comes with this outliner. It also comes in this pack. So this is the black one, you can see. Yes, this is the black outliner, and here it has 6 shades that I can see. This is the red one, and this is the sea blue. Like this it comes with 6 shades. Okay, so this one. So friends, also I will tell that this glass colors, it is of 2 types. One is water based and another is solvent based. So this one I have used, it is of water based, and it is easier to use for the reason that it gets dried up very easily as compared to the solvent based colors. So friends, this outliner, this is the black one, and it also comes in another 2 colors, that one is metallic golden and another is metallic silver. So 3 types of outliners are there. And for doing a glass painting, we can also use these 3D outliners, which here I have kept. It comes in 10 colors, 10 different colors. This one, yes, you can see, this is the Fevicryl 3D outliner. The Fevicryl 3D outliner, this one. So it comes in 10 different shades, and this outline, this also we can use as the outliner. So friends, these are the materials required for doing a glass painting. And friends, we can also use the OHP sheet or the lamination sheet for doing the painting instead of glass, especially when we are doing it for the first time. So it's better to use this lamination sheet because it is easy to handle. And friends, if you want to see how to do the glass painting, you can watch my video, the first video, the glass painting for beginners. The link I will give it in the description box. And hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, then share your views in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.